Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm tutor next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is sideways. Gold is trading in a range here, and gold is unable to cross the level of 5020. If you look at the chart carefully, then we can see that gold is also respecting this trend line, and overall we can consider this as a ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern is a bullish triangle pattern, means there is a resistance at the top which is 5020 right now, okay, and when market breaks the resistance, we usually go for a buy position. But we need to keep in mind that this is gold and today is Friday, so we need to be careful. And already the market has tested the trend line 4 times already, so things are a little bit dicey here because gold is not in a mood of going up and market has already tested a trend line a couple of times, so things are a little bit dangerous, so please be careful. So in this situation, what you need to do is, okay, you need to wait for the volume, because without volume, if we go for a buy position again, then obviously market won't be able to cross the level. Suppose you want to break a door, okay, suppose you were stuck inside a room and there is a door, you don't have the key and you want to break it, okay. So to break the door, what do you want? You need strength, isn't it? If you do not have the strength to break the door, okay, you won't be able to break it. Similarly, here also, to cross this level, market requires strength or volume. If volume is missing, then obviously gold will not be able to cross it. So in that case, okay, market will again have a false breakout. So in the US session or European session, if you see gold is going up with big green candles, then there's a possibility that the breakout is real and we can look for a buy position, because the ascending triangle pattern is already indicating that there is a possibility of market going up. Just we need the support of volume. The volume is missing, okay. When volume will arrive, okay, the breakout may come and we can look for a buy position. And if you do not want to take any risk, if you do not want to get trapped or stuck, what you can do is, you can see I have already drawn here, you can buy at pullback, because the same level will become the new support. Right now this is the resistance, so when 5020 to 5015 will become the new support, then you can buy. This will be much more safer. Buying at breakout is riskier in comparison to buying at pullback. So it's up to you. You can either enter at pullback, or if market shows volume, big green candles, then you can enter at breakout. Okay, so this is the these are the trading opportunities if market goes up from here. But we also need to check out the lower time frame as well. For example, the hourly time frame. This is the hourly time frame. You can see that things are not very good right now. Market is kind of sideways, and we do not see good swings as well, okay. So as a day trader, it's better for you to look at the 15 minutes time frame, because on the hourly time frame you will not get good clear indications, and market is also not respecting the swings as well. For example, on the hourly time frame, we can see 4850 is the best support, but is there possible the market coming down to 4850 right now? Obviously no. For the market to be bullish again, it needs to cross this black line here, 5120. But is there any possibility of market going above this level? No. Okay, so US session will be important for us. Let's wait and watch. But yeah, our dear friends, you also need to know that we have two events coming up. Not major events, okay, but they will bring spikes to the market. And because of Friday, if market starts falling suddenly, then forget about levels and just take a sell position. For example, in the US session, if you see that there's a big okay, big red candle, then obviously, okay, you need to go with the flow, means follow the trend of the market. Clear? Otherwise, okay, if you see the market is trading with low volume, not much volume in the market, okay, then you can look for support around 49 494036, and we also have a support around 49104900. It means if market behaves normally, okay, if you see the market is coming down, but the candles are not very big, okay. For example, if you see candles like this, then avoid buying around 494036 or 49104900. But if you see the candles are more or less normal in size, then you can look for a buy around 494036 or 49104900. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can look for a buy position if market comes down. Right now, I will not suggest you anything, because either we need gold above 5020 or we need the trend line to fail and market to come down. Because right now, gold is just indicating that there is a possibility of a breakout, but we do not have any confirmation yet. Okay, so either gold needs to cross this level or it needs to surrender, buyers needs to surrender, and it needs to come down. Okay, and in case, again I'm repeating, in case you see candles like this during the US session, forget about levels. Okay, you can just follow the trend of the market, means you can sit on a sell position temporarily. And you also need to keep in touch with the news, my dear friends, because you must be knowing that Iran issue is all over the news. Okay, there is a possibility of an escalation between Iran and USA. As we all know, whenever there is a global crisis, whenever there is a possibility of a war, gold always flies. Okay, so the weekly closing is also going to be very, very important. But yeah, stay in touch with the news. If any escalation happens between USA and Iran, okay, no level will work. Maybe gold will directly fly towards 5600, or God knows, maybe 6000. Okay, so right now be patient, because right now, as you can clearly see on the chart, okay, logically, okay, things are not very good right now, because gold is trading in a low in a range here. Okay, but still, whatever we discuss are for day traders only. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And again, I'm repeating, today is Friday. Okay. If you see some illogical moves in the market, if you fail to find any logic, okay, just shut down the laptop and just spend some quality time with your friends and family. Because as a trader, you don't need to trade every day. Okay. No trading is also trading. Instead of losing money, it's better to, okay, sit outside the market. Be a trader, not a gambler. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow. And feel free to join our free Telegram community. The link is in the description.